Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make jalapeno cheddar stuffed meatloaf. This meatloaf has an entire brick of cheddar cheese in the middle. It is so good. If you're not a cheese fan, you probably shouldn't watch this. But if you are a cheese fan, you are in for a treat. To start, you'll need 2 pounds of ground beef. And for this, I'm using an 85-15 mixture, so I have just a little bit of fat. To that, you're gonna add 1 cup of plain dried breadcrumbs, a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Then we're gonna start adding in our liquid ingredients, starting with half a cup of plain milk. Just pour that in, and then you'll also add in 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and a minced jalapeno. You can use 1 or 2 jalapenos depending on how spicy you can handle this. Then we're just gonna get in there with our hands and we're gonna mix this all together. Dig right in there and disperse all the ingredients throughout the ground beef. Then we're gonna take half of our meat mixture and start free-forming the loaf down in the pan. You just need a rough base. Then we're gonna take an 8-ounce brick of cheddar cheese and set it right on top, and then use the rest of our ground beef mixture to seal it up, give it a top, and finish off our meatloaf. Now, no meatloaf is complete without a delicious glaze, so we're gonna make that next. You'll need 1 cup of ketchup. We'll scrape that into a little mixing bowl. And then you'll add in a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, a tablespoon of red wine vinegar, 2 to 3 cloves of crushed garlic, a pinch of salt, a pinch of red pepper flakes, and stir it together. Next, we're gonna pour this over our meatloaf. Just drizzle it over the top and let it fall down the edges. And you can smooth it out a little bit as well. Then I like to finish it off with some sliced jalapenos so that people know that it's gonna be spicy, and it makes it really pretty too. Just lay those right over the top of your loaf. Then we're gonna bake this in a 350-degree oven for about 1 hour. Your cheese in the middle will be all melted ooey gooey, and you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.